This is letter M. The sound of this letter is hmm, hmm, hmm. And the animal name is mule, mule, mule.
Milton the mule, he made a mistake. While he read a map, he walked in the lake. Mules are a combination of a horse and a donkey. Mules have long hair, a short mane, small feet, and a tail with a tuft of long hair at the end. Mules may be harnessed and used for pulling loads. Mules make a braying sound. Mules remain strong under harsh treatment and hard work. They were once used for work in construction camps, mines, and military zones. Mules were once used for farm work, particularly in South, but not as many are seen now.
Milton Mule had one strange habit. When someone spoke to him, he sometimes did not pay attention. He would just say, and pretend he was listening. One day, Milton Mule's mother said, "Good morning, Milton Mule. I've made some nice mulberry muffins for your breakfast." "Yum, yum, yummy," said Milton, yawning. "I love my mother's mulberry muffins," he mentioned as he munched his morning meal. After breakfast, his mother said, "Put on your muffler, Milton, and march straight to Mule School." On the way to Mule School, Megatroid Magpie flew over Milton's head. "Hey, Milton Mule," called Megatroid Magpie. Said Milton. "I've just found the mysterious map. I think it may lead us to some buried treasure." Said Milton. It was rather exciting to think of finding a buried treasure. "Wait a minute, Milton. Pay attention. Will you help me find the treasure?" Said Milton Mule. "Where is this mysterious map?" "I can show you if you follow my directions. Do you see that old elm tree stump? Walk over to it and I'll show you how to get to the map." Said Milton Mule as he walked to the old elm tree stump. "Here I am. Now what?" "Turn to your left and go 10 steps," said Megatroid Magpie. Milton turned around and walked straight ahead. Milton Mule mumbled as he continued. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now look around that rock. Milton Mule shouted, "A map! A mysterious map! Open it," said Megatroid Magpie. Milton Mule opened the map. "Well, I see a lake and an upside-down maple tree." "No, Milton Mule, turn the map over. You're supposed to go north from the beaver dam." As he turned the map over, Milton Mule momentarily began to walk south. "No, go north, Milton Mule, north. You're going the wrong way." "Oh, north? Which way is that, Megatroid Magpie?" "Milton Mule, you're just going to have to pay attention. The lake is right there and you go north from the beaver dam. That means you turn left." "Wait, Milton Mule," but he didn't want to turn left. He was looking at the mysterious map and he was humming. He was not paying attention to Megatroid Magpie. Not one bit was he paying attention. He did not turn north, he did not turn left, he turned right. He walked through the mud and mire, and all the time he was looking at the map. Then he made a terrible mistake. He walked into the... and I know you will not believe he could be so silly, but that is just what happened to people who will not pay attention. Milton Mule walked right to the lake and fell in.
Let us read these words phonetically. A, may. A, ma. A, ma. A, aim. A, am. A, am. Blend these sounds into words. A, mama. A, may. A, aim. A, am.